In this video, let's talk about how do BMW wheel spacers work. Let's go. BMW wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality BMW wheel spacers can help the G30 with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket part wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Cosmetic changes. BMW wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural stability of the G30. The frontal lines of the BMW G30 will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Brake system upgrades. BMW wheel spacers can help the G30 upgrade to wider aftermarket brakes. Aftermarket brakes are often incompatible with stock offset when installed, requiring BMW G30 wheel spacers to provide additional clearance. Aftermarket wheel adaptation. Using BMW wheel spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, axle, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. We usually install 10mm wheel spacers on the front of the G30 and 50mm wheel spacers on the rear, and the overall result is perfect and full. This is also the choice of many BMW owners who buy the Bonus Forge Lightweight Plus wheel spacers. Bonus also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 3mm to 50mm, and you can choose whether or not you want to pair them with extended wheel bolts. If you want to get the bonus wheel spacers for your BMW, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.